Breaking news, guys, from the U.S. Supreme Court in a major setback, legal setback for Donald Trump. The nation's highest court has rejected his latest effort to end birthright citizenship. This decision has ignited or reignited one of the most heated constitutional debates in America. So what exactly happened and what does it mean? Let's break it down. So the U.S. Supreme Court has delivered a significant blow to Donald Trump's attempt to end birthright citizenship. I think he signed the executive order on his first day. BS, it's not going to work, right? Keeping the long-standing constitutional principle in place. And they say for now because of Brett Kavanaugh. But it's a decision, it's a win for birthright citizenship. Birthright citizenship is a legal rule that grants U.S. citizenship to nearly anyone born on American soil. It's rooted in the 14th Amendment to the Constitution, which states that all persons born and naturalized in the United States and subject to its jurisdiction are citizens of the United States. Trump has argued that this constitutional protection should not automatically apply to children born to people who are in the country illegally or temporarily. His administration has maintained that the current interpretation encourages illegal migration and so-called birthright citizenship, or birth tourism as they call it. Supporters of Trump's position say reform is necessary to strengthen broader border security and ensure citizenship is granted more selectively. Opponents, however, argue that birthright citizenship has been settled constitutional law for more than a century. They say changing it would require either a constitutional amendment or a dramatic shift in how the Supreme Court interprets the 14th Amendment. In its latest action, the Supreme Court declined to grant the relief Trump was seeking, leaving lower court rulings in place and preventing immediate changes to birthright citizenship. Legal experts note that the court's decision does not necessarily mean the broader constitutional debate is over. Future lawsuits could still reach the Supreme Court, where the justices may eventually decide the issue on its merit. For now, though, birthright citizenship remains unchanged, and children born in the United States continue to be recognized as U.S. citizens under existing law. The ruling has already sparked strong reaction across the political spectrum. Supporters of immigration rights are celebrating the decision as a victory for the Constitution and equal protection under the law. Meanwhile, Trump's supporters argue that the issue deserves further legal review and insist that immigration reform remains a top national priority. This latest development highlights just how deeply divided the country remains over immigration policy and the interpretation of the Constitution. As legal battles continue, one thing is clear: birthright citizenship will remain one of the most closely watched issues in American politics. What do you think, guys? Should birthright citizenship remain exactly as it is, or should the law be changed? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this update helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more breaking news and legal updates. This is a status check.